And welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna let you know how you can convert Solana to USDT on Binance. In order to convert Solana to USDT on Binance, you'll have to follow these simple steps. First thing, you know the drill, you have to go and log in into your Binance account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, you have to go ahead and press on the convert button. So for that, go to your icon from the top right, and here click the more services and type in convert. So when you type in convert, that's going to take you to the another field, and here you have to go ahead and select from. So here you need to go ahead and type in SOL or Solana. And when you actually locate Solana, you just have to type in that, enter the exact amount that you want to convert it to, and then you need to go to the to section, and here you need to type in USDT. When you type in USDT, that's going to take you to the next field. So click on USDT and you'll be able to see the converted amount right at the bottom. Click on trade, then follow the prompt in order to convert Solana to USDT on Binance. So that's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.